Alright, what's going on, chat? This is a build on the X truck by Deberti Designs. So we just gonna get into it right off rip, cause we gonna make it look exactly like the truck. With a few little variances. I just like how aggressive this damn truck is. So we're gonna leave everything damn near stock. To be honest, we're gonna leave the wing, the tail lights. We're just gonna throw our seats in there and the Recaro and our wheel. I don't even not even changing the shifter, the wheels. Um, I kind of like the wheels. Yeah, I think we're gonna leave the wheels as is and just save it. So that's the new setup. I'll slap the tune on there immediately. Understand. You don't waste no time. So we put our diff in it. 50-50. The final drive we might do 391. 622. But yeah, man, this trick kind of surprised me and how it drives and everything. So I had to build it for YouTube just to see, because maybe a lot of people don't even know about it, like how good it drives overall on a wheel. So I had to make this. So y'all should know by now. This is gonna be the third video. So the gear sets are already off rip. This is where this truck shines. Oh my god. So we gonna do that. Do that. Right around there, and then 9,000 RPM, right? 4,300 peak torque, and then when we go like this and turn the boost up, we make well over 1,500. Well, 1,120 foot-pounds of torque, and then 1,200 horsepower. So definitely, this truck is a monster. It's a monster, needless to say. So let me get into this real quick, man. I just want to take it to a few tracks and just shred, just show y'all how this truck really does. It's gonna be on 19s all the way around. I'm gonna do 19 on 40 profiles. I think that should be it. We'll do two 85s in the front, three, maybe 315s in the rear. Leave the tire pressure for where it's at right now. Widen the front a little bit. We're gonna tuck the rear just a slight bit. I think that should be it. And then we go to stiffness. Alright, let's do the ride height. The ride height is not bad at all. Let's see, I'll put R springs in it. How it feels. Let's see, bring this down. I just see if I could get a like an aggressive fitment out of it, but not too aggressive, because when I had it set up, you could see the suspension just working over every bump. So I don't want to go too low, but I might do 9 in the front. Nah, not even. We gotta do like 8 in the front, cause 8 in the front. I think that's good enough for what we trying to do. Yeah. So 6. Just drop these numbers a little bit. You're gonna see how, but might not be on this setup. How you gonna see how much it's like the suspension is traveling and working, but it just blew my mind how good the truck was when oh my god, I can't even put it into words. So I'm gonna do two here. We're gonna put a rear bar on it. Alright, so this is the setup. Alright, let's check the alignment real quick. Let's do 4 degrees in the front, degree in the rear. I do run a lot more toe in on this truck for some reason. I'm gonna do 6, do 2, do 4. We're gonna do 40. We're gonna do 0. This is the setup, bro. I'm telling you, this truck is phenomenal the way it drives. Like, I don't know how to put it in words how good it is. But let's do a little design on it real quick. We could do like a satin black with like satin black. We definitely gotta do the chromes. So we're gonna do the chrome lips with the metallic faces. And then we're gonna do the angle kit. And we're gonna do the easy racing. And then we're gonna do that cool like a gold for the brakes. Alright, so this is the setup for this truck. Oh my god. So good. I'm just thinking about how he's gonna drive. I want to take it to a few tracks to really show y'all. Wait, I can't paint the cage? I guess not. So let's just leave it as where it's at. Alright, so that's the setup right now. Let's go to the driving part. Oh my god. The training. I would go chase some people, but they might just piss me off. Let's do Orlando. Could do Orlando, then we probably could do Riga. The sound, also phenomenal. First line already just killing it. Right on the line, just smooth. I can't even talk much about this truck, man. TRD racing V8 in this game is crazy. That's all I can say. If I could swap this engine into anything, I already know I would have some very serious cars. This motor in an A86 would be killer. Oh my god, bro. It just sounds crazy. I don't know if I can. Here, I was trying to I'm trying to get the line down where I don't have to brake, but just to keep it in the groove, I had to do a little bit of modulation of the throttle. But let's do another track. I feel like as aggressive as I was before. Let me see what other. I might do it on a high mile an hour track. See if we could link the whole track the first time. Using every inch of this damn track. Go to fifth. Just let it eat. Six. Let it eat. It's that horsepower. You really getting to see where it shines. Slow it down a little bit. Oh my god. Some absolute riot driving. Not much words needed to explain how good this truck is. So if you never tried it, please go try it. Deberti Design, CarX, they really made this truck an absolute riot. I just could only imagine when I bring this out to chase. I only want to use this car to chase the Mustangs. I don't want to use it to chase nothing else. Because I feel like it might be too fast. And mind you, I didn't even put no grip in this car, this truck at all. I have not touched it. I have not put any grip, nothing. Just is a strictly out the box tune. Dial the engine in a little bit, and that's it. A little bit of chassis. I have not thrown any grip at this at all. So only imagine how crazy it's gonna be when I put grip to it, try to chase people online. If you haven't tried this truck, go try it. Oh my god. I'm gonna throw everything at it in 6 in that corner. And he just took it. No problem. Oh my god, dude, 100 miles an hour. Manji. It takes every bit of it. If I could have swapped this motor in so many other cars, oh my god, it's gonna be crazy. I know in the roadmap for CarX they do have where they say more engine swaps, so hopefully we get some form of a racing V8. Yo, this shit is serious, I ain't gonna lie. Love the way it drives. Ooh. Yes. A little bit too long on the handbrake right there, stalled it out. Had the clutch kick to get it back on. It's crazy. It's just melting tire. Oh my god. I should have put a little more wire for that corner. But no grip. Even if I throw a little bit of grip in it, I would have made that turn. The back end just squatting. I can't wait to throw this in a lobby. That's all I got for this video, man. I swear to God. It's too good. It's too good. I'm gonna just keep ripping. Go check it out, y'all. I swear to God. If you haven't driven this truck, go try it out. It's well worth the money. It's well worth everything.